Frustrated that your Tucson's cruise control just won't engage? Here's what might be going on. First, check the basics. Is your brake light on? If so, your car's system might think you're pressing the brake. Sometimes a faulty brake light switch is the culprit. It's a common issue and usually cheap to fix. Next, look at your dashboard. Do you see any warning lights? If your check engine light or ABS light is on, the cruise control system may automatically disable itself for safety. Also, make sure you're driving at the right speed. In most Hyundais, cruise control won't set below about 25 miles per hour. Try again at a higher speed. Don't forget your clutch if you drive a manual. The system won't engage if the clutch pedal is pressed or if the clutch switch isn't working right. Finally, if everything else seems fine, check your owner's manual for fuse locations. A blown fuse could be the reason. If you've checked all these and it still won't work, it might be time to see a mechanic. Sometimes cruise control issues are caused by wiring or sensor problems best left to the pros. Cruise control makes long drives easier, so a quick check might get you back on the road in comfort. Stay safe out there.